Yeah, this is Lingaswamy. So now I am going to discuss about Gauss divergence theorem, right? The question is verify the divergence theorem for the function f bar is equal to yi plus xj plus z square k over the cylindrical region bounded by this h square plus y square is equal to 9 and z is equal to 0 and z is equal to 2, right? Now before solving this this problem, first you must know what is the divergence theorem statement, right? So the question is what? Verify the theorem, right? So in this case we have to find the LHS as well as RHS, right? First you should find the LHS and RHS, then comparing the values, both are equal, then LHS is equal to RHS, right? So now what is the Gauss divergence theorem, right? So we know that. So what we know that now Gauss divergence theorem. So by divergence theorem, so we have, right? We have so surface integral over to f bar dot n ds is equal to triple integration over to v div f dv, right? Now first this is a statement of the divergence theorem, right? First you should find the LHS as well as RHS, both are equal, then LHS is equal to RHS. Before finding the LHS as well as RHS, you must know how to find the surface integral and how to find the volume integral, right? So for this one, first of all you have to write what is the given points. What is the given here? F bar is given, so x square plus y square is equal to 9 and z is equal to 0 and z is equal to 2 is given, right? Next one, now I am going to find RHS value. So what is RHS here? RHS is equal to what? Triple integration over to v div f dv, right? For finding div f RHS value, you must know what is the function here. What is the function here? Div f, right? Next one, you require to find the volume integral. For that one, you must know what is the variable limits. That means x limits as well as y limits. That next one is z limits. Already z limits are given. What is the z limits here? 0 to 2. Next one, we have to find the x and y limits by using this equation, right? The function here what? X y plus xj plus z square k, right? Next one, this is a z is equal to 0 to 2. And what is the given here? X square plus y square is equal to 9. From this one, we have to find the x value as well as y value, right? I am already told to you what, whenever two variables are there, one equation is there, in that case we have to take one variable limits as 0. So for this one, x square plus y square is equal to 9. So from this one we have to substitute y is equal to 0, then x square is equal to what? 9, then x is equal to what? Plus or minus 3. Therefore, what are the x limits here? X limits are what? X limits are what? Minus 3 to 3. Next one, z limits already given. What are the z limits here? 0 to 2. Next one, we have to find the y limits. How to get the y limits? Now whatever equation is given, we have to solve for y, right? So from this one, what we get here? X square plus y square is equal to 9. From this one, y is equal to what? Plus or minus under root 9 minus x square. So therefore, what are the y limits here? Y limits are what? Under root 9 minus x square to under root 9 minus x square, right? Now next one, z limits are what? What are the z limits here? 0 to 2. Now at this stage, we know that what are the x limits as well as y limits. Next one, what are the z limits? Next unknown is what? Div f, right? Now question is how to find the div f. So we know the div f formula. What is the div f formula? Div f formula is what? Dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z, right? So is nothing but dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z. In this one, first you should find what is the dou f1 by dou x. What is the meaning of that one? Partial derivation of f1 with respect to x. Whenever find the partial derivation with respect to x, now remaining variables as constants, right? So that means here, what is f1, f2, f3? f1, f2, f3 is what? Coefficients of the ij k term in a given function. So what is the f bar here? yi plus xj plus z square. What is f1 here? So dou by dou x of x plus dou by dou y of